Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shop and Saga. So we are in HomeGoods and I am going to be able to talk to you guys and talk you guys through this video. But however, I have like 2 clips of this video that I could not get to download for the life of me. And I couldn't not include these clips. These clips are very low resolution. So I saved them for last. So it kind of puts the video out of order. So I just want to jump in really quickly and explain that to you guys so there's no confusion in how the video looks. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to send you back to the regular recording. But I just want to show you guys, look at this pretty arc. Happy Halloween, and it's $1,000. And it looks like that on both sides. Here it is over here. So I don't have to take it out. This is so cute. Gingerbread lovers, $20. And while I'm over here, I can show you guys some of the wreaths that I see. $20. It's 20. $50. Oh, they have an array of Santas over here. He's cute, black and white. I like the gray too. They're all working with the same color. These are all cute. I like the brown one. And then look at these big giant trees by Martha Stewart. I'm trying to see the price. They have all these different sizes. So this one is $20. Oh, that's cute. I like the gold, the red together. Nutcracker, Rachel Zoe. There's the gingerbread house again. Let's see. I'm missing some stuff in here. Oh, there's the penguin again. 15. Snowman. I feel like we've been over here. No, look at the silver nutcracker. The gold nutcracker. Oh, let's see. I could tell you guys the price of these. $20. And then they have the blues and the grays.
Attention HomeGoods shoppers! Did you find that perfect piece of furniture or that you just can't let go? Well, you can take it home very simply by signing up for the TJMAXX credit card. Upon approval, you save 10% off your entire purchase, plus earn 5% back every time you use it. That's a $10 reward for every $10 spent here. TJMAXX, Marshalls, Stewart, and HomeGoods. So let the savings begin. As always, thank you for shopping and saving HomeGoods.
Oh, look at this. $13. And with the little pearl. This is 17. Blues and stuffies. Martha Stewart trees. Oh look, he's cute. The white and gold nutcracker. 13. Piece. Oh, this looks like a Cracker Barrel type of item. It's heavy too. Oh, it's heavy. It's pretty though. 25. Hey. Oh. look at the pinks over here. I believe he is so cute. Let's see if I can see his price on the bottom because he is heavy. He's $30. Oh look, it's another little elf one. Coming out of the box. And look at that silver. Rachel Zoe. Oh, look at the pinks. 15. Oh, this is beautiful. How much is this? He is $200. To Harry, it's $80. A little bear like that pink tree. Look at her, she's cute. I didn't notice his little shoes. I like these. This is 25. The clear to Harry. Christian Sariano. $30. Oh, look at that. He's 70. $17 for the angels. $7. They have the cute little penguin. Let's see. Martha Stewart home. This is $60 for the sled. $20. The tree is $10. 13. This nutcracker. 13. 20. Oh, they have some different size sleds. So this one is 40, the bigger one, and this one is $20. $30. 17. Yeah, she's right about that. It's hard to pick. This is cute. $20. 20. Look at this nutcracker. Look at that pretty tree. Oh. 17. Look at this tree. And look at all the pretty pink trees. Oh, that white reindeer goes really cute with that. The pink sequins. Is there one under there? Yeah. Okay, let me tell you guys the price. So the bigger ones are gonna be $13. And the smaller ones are $13. Nicole. Miller Home. These trees are $15. The pearl garland. This is cute. $20. $20. And then these reindeer are $20. No, this one is $30. I'm sorry. It's really heavy too. Oh, 35. Look at that pretty tree. $10. Another tree, the ornaments. $10. $20. Alright, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and shopping with me in HomeGoods and checking out some of their Christmas decor. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have missed a few of our Christmas shopping trips, please go back and check out the other videos of all the other Christmas decor. I don't even know when my camera's gonna die, so I'm just gonna show you guys as much as I can until it dies. It's gonna be pretty soon, but I appreciate you guys for rocking with me, and I will see you guys in the next shopping trip. Okay, so let's start on Christmas. So there's Rachel Zoe clips. They have the doves. Rachel Roy. These are 13. The reindeer is 25. That big angel. Okay. That tree is 30. Look at this pretty tree. 17. They have the event calendar back there. 13. 30. Santa. 13. Look at that big elf. $10. $20. $20. That wreaths. These blue reindeer are $20. This is cute. Somebody had this together and they changed their mind. This is cute though. $20. Yep. Trying to show you guys this wreath for $15. Alright, there's some fall stuff. We're not looking at fall today, so I am going to make a detour. This pearl tree. The 3 different stacks. The reindeer is 15. Santa is 20. That's cute. Santa 20. $10. 17 for the pearl tree. We've seen this reindeer a couple of times. 15. This reindeer is 15. Oh, he's pretty. Let's see. Can we get him out without knocking stuff over? 15. Here they are, the taller ones. The reindeer is also in that gold. It's a pretty event calendar. Trying to get the price on it. Let's see. Set it down. All right, and the price is not on here. Where's the price? It's not my fault. I can't give you guys the price of this. I can't find it. There's another one right there. Another Santa. $20. Look at that one. This is pretty. 20. $17, and the big one is 20. $15. We just saw something like this in Joann. I don't know which order I'm posting these videos in, but go back and check them out. Whatever Christmas videos you missed, or whatever videos that you missed, go ahead. Make sure you check those out. This is $13 for the angel. $40. Get the pretty tree topper back there. Oh yeah, right? Reindeer, what's this? Oh, that's cute. 6-foot garland. 15. $13. A cute little gingerbread. $30. It's that red tree again back there with the red reindeer. Snow globe, Martha Stewart. 30. This gingerbread house. Let's see. Yeah, that is $50. This is 40. That big snow globe. 15, 20. This is so pretty. I see it on the other end, so I'm going to show it to you guys over there so I don't have to pull out stuff and break anything. That giant nutcracker is really pretty. Some more angels.